Well, students, yesterday we had discussed on definitions and axioms of Euclid's. Now, today we will discuss on postulates. Postulates means some properties which were not to be proved. These assumptions are actually obvious universal truth or self-evident truths. Postulates were the assumption that used especially for geometry. Euclid gave us 5 postulates. See postulate number 1. A straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. See here, we have 2 points P and Q. We can draw any straight line from P to Q or Q to P. This postulate tells us that at least one straight line passes through 2 distinct points. But it doesn't say that there can't be more than one such line. Euclid has frequently assumed without mentioning that there is a unique line joining 2 distinct points. So, we have an axiom 5.1 which clear this point. Axiom 5.1, given 2 distinct points, there is a unique line that passes through them. We have 2 points P and Q, a unique line PQ or QP passing through these 2 points. We see here point P, there are so many lines passing through point P, and here point Q, here also so many lines can pass through point Q. But the line PQ is unique, which is passing both 2 points P and Q. See postulate 2. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely. We have a line AB known as terminated line. If we can produce it, both the side from A and from B extended infinitely. Today, this terminated line is known as line segment. The line having 2 endpoints, this is terminated line or line segment. Postulate 3. A circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Means we can draw any circle of any radius, any center. We can take any center, any radius, and can draw any circle. Postulate 4. All right angles are equals to one another. Means if we draw right angles, this one, all measures 90 degree. Right angles mean 90 degree. It means all will be equals in measurement. Now postulate 5. If a straight line falling on 2 straight lines makes the interior angles on the same side of it taken together less than 2 right angles, then the 2 straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of angles is less than 2 right angles. Here 2 straight lines AB and CD is given and another straight line PQ falling on them and makes the angles either side of PQ is greater than 180 degree or less than 180 degree. Here in this figure, angle 1 and angle 2 on left side of PQ is sum of these angles less than 2 right angles, means angle 1 plus angle 2 is less than 180. Then these lines AB and CD will meet if we produce it at any point on left side of PQ. It means if we draw two lines and one line falling on them, this is any line L, this one M, and this one N. If these angles shows sum of these angle will be less than 180 degree, if we produce them, then they will meet on that side of line L where the sum of interior angles is less than 180, and other side they will never meet. If we extend them, they will never meet. This is postulate number 5. So he gave us 5 postulates which are self-proved.